everyone, and welcome to Rare But Real with me, Priyanka Shinde. I'm a psychologist, and as all of you guys know, we are here to discuss some things that are rare but very, very real, especially in the continent of India, subcontinent of India. I'm so sorry. So, let us discuss the topic of earwax today. Okay, this will be split into three parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. So, guys, please do watch all the three parts of earwax. It's really important because this can cause a lot of pain, but it can be easily avoided as well as it can be easily removed. Okay, so we will start with how, first of all, earwax is different between people of Europe, Africa, and Asia. Okay, we'll start from that point as well as what happens to earwax when you age or what happens when you try and make modifications according to medical treatments. Okay, so let me first share how it looks, where it comes from. So earwax is also called as cerumen. Okay, it comes and it puts itself in the ear canal. Okay, you have to make sure that it doesn't touch your eardrum. That is really dangerous. It will totally block your hearing process and it is not good, okay, for your health. And eustachian tube has almost nothing to do with your earwax, but one thing is true: if the pressure on the eustachian tube increases too much, the earwax may move more and more towards the ear canal, which is not at all good for your health. Also, the eardrum is like a membrane, so you have to be really careful not to put cotton buds in that, so that your eardrum does not get damaged in any way. Okay, so now we'll see what are the different types of earwaxes that happen in Europe, Africa, and East Asia. Okay, first of all, you have to understand that in America and Europe, you have earwax which are more of a wet and sticky kind. Here in Asia and some part of Africa, it's almost dry. So these differences have to be considered while asking a doctor how to remove your earwax. अब सेम चीज मैं हिंदी में पहले बताऊंगी. earwax को cerebrum भी बोलते हैं. ये eardrum और इसका eardrum से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन हम अगर कॉटन बड्स डालते हैं तो वो eardrum के बेहद करीब आ जाता है, जिससे हियरिंग में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. जबकि यूस्टेशियन ट्यूब का और ईयर कनाल का एक्चुअली कोई कनेक्शन है नहीं, लेकिन अगर यूस्टेशियन ट्यूब पे प्रेशर पड़ गया बिकॉज ऑफ आवर थ्रोट, देन ईयर कनाल का ईयर वैक्स और ईयर ड्रम की तरफ जा सकता है, जो काफी खतरनाक होता है. जहां तक कि हम लोग बात करेंगे कि what is the difference between the earwax of people of Europe and of people who are from Asia, then earwax of people of Europe are something or is something which is wet and sticky, जबकि हमारे ईस्ट एशियन लोगों के जो हेरिटेज है वो ड्राई ईयरवैक्स का होता है. ओके, अब ये बात जानना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है कि ये डिफरेंस क्यों है. So two groups differences heritage is due to one gene called as ABCC11. ये जीन ईयरवैक्स को अल्टर करने के मॉलिक्यूल के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. इसलिए अगर ये अपने आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि why the hell I don't have earwax that is similar to my friend from Europe यार, or why I don't have the type of earwax that is similar to my friend from another part of America or something, so you're not going to have it because आपकी जीन जो है ABCC11 is really different, जिसकी वजह से म्यूटेशन हो जाती है. ठीक है, और एक बात बोल सकते हैं कि there is an insect that is considered to be responsible for this mutation, and at the same time environmental stressors के हिसाब से और भी ज्यादा इसमें mutations बढ़ते जाते हैं या घटते जाते हैं. अब अगर इन्फेक्शन हो गया आपको, ओके, तो यह वैक्स इन्वेडिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की वजह से अपना रिस्पॉन्स बदल देगा. इट विल change itself and your earwax will turn green, just like how your eye has this discharge coming out. The same way the earwax will also turn green in color. Suppose you have sweat, you are a player, okay, और आप स्वेट कर रहे हो तो अगेन फिर से उसका कलर और टेक्सचर बदल जाएगा. अगर उसमें स्मेल आ रहा है तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट एनारोबिक बैक्टीरिया, मतलब जो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं, Okay, and those things that don't need oxygen to survive has made home in your middle part of the ear, and that is actually responsible for what is happening with your earwax. Okay, so also it can be a sign of breast cancer. Okay, also इस चीज की वजह से आपका ईयर वैक्स और जो बाकी के कंट्रीज के ईयर वैक्स है वो डिफरेंट है. इंडिया के पीपल का ईयर वैक्स हमेशा ड्राई रहेगा, तो मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट पुटिंग एनी कॉटन बड्स इनसाइड इट. मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट पुटिंग दैट स्टील कर्व इनसाइड इट, नहीं तो इतनी बुरी तरह से हर्ट हो जाएगा कि उसको कोई आंसर नहीं बचेगा. देन what is the way to come out of this earwax problem? Okay, we will discuss that now. Okay, one way that I will discuss before I discuss the main way is that you can put some baby oil in your ear. Okay, you can put some normal oil also, and you can just use your finger to rub. Please do not push it harder near the eardrum. Okay, otherwise your hearing will get affected, जो नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, हियरिंग अफेक्ट करने के लिए उसको अंदर पुश मत कीजिए, उसको सिर्फ मूव कीजिए लाइक इन अ राउंड वे. ओके, दूसरा ये है, दिस इज द ट्यूब दैट यूजेस अ सक्शन टेक्निक टू रिमूव द earwax which has gone too much inside the tube. Okay, the middle ear part. Okay, so ये माइक्रो सक्शन जो मशीन है, अगर जरूरत पड़े तो प्लीज जाके इसको निकाल के लेके आइए. Okay, I will in the next video be discussing what is the case where earwax forms too much. Okay, so see you in the next video.